how you can make A3 size in Canva. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Here, Canva comes with all the readily available size for any forms of social media such as Instagram, Facebook or YouTube. But we will not find readily available A3 size in Canva. So we have to customize or create it by our own. For that, open up the Canva in your device and then click on Create a Design. From this drop-down menu, click on Dock. Now, once you land on this interface, navigate to your top left corner and then click on File. From this drop-down menu, click on Create New Design. Now, since we are creating the A3 size by our own, first of all, click on Custom Size. Now, from this drop-down menu, first of all, you have to set units to centimeter. After that, we have to set width and height by our own, which is similar to A3 size. So here our width will be 42 centimeter and our height will be 29.5 centimeter. After you do that, click on Create a New Design. So this document or this design is same as that of the dimension of A3 size. So that's how you create A3 size in Canva, and that's all for today's video. I hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.